Welcome crafty friends, today is the 1st of June and we get to look at what Spellbinders Clubs have in store for us today. Let's start with Mahalo Sea Turtle, our small die of the month. This is a very cute die set. You're going to get a background piece that our turtle gets to swim on top of. You also get some of the sentiments that are inlaid into a banner as well. This die set is going to give you lots of opportunities to make a background centerpiece, not only for the turtles this month, but for some of the gorgeous items we've received in previous clubs. So I think this is a really fun one and lots of elements to use in many different ways. Tropical Blooms is the large die of the month, and you can see we're getting this beautiful large arrangement of hibiscus flowers, as well as that really large Aloha sentiment. Now you can see there are so many different types of tropical flowers included in this die set. You've got the large hibiscus blooms, you've got the smaller buds, and then we've got all these other gorgeous flowers that remind me kind of like of frangipanis, and then other smaller tropical flowers. I love this month that we're actually getting some different types of flowers that we haven't received in previous kits. Love this, you are going to too. Now our stitching die of the month is called Luau Beats, and as you can see we've got a whole theme happening here this month with that tropical Hawaiian-inspired theme. Now the stitching dies in here, you can do your drum, you can do your guitar, and of course there's numerous ways of doing that. The drum has multiple layering pieces so that you get that beautiful detail with the dies that we all love with Spellbinders. You got the leaves that can be stitched as well, and then that really cute guitar. Then of course you're going to come along with some of the other dies from this month's kits and add even more decoration, background, and enhancements to your card. I think this is a real winner this month, particularly with how well it goes with all the other items in this very, very tropical themed kit. So you're going to also see here some sneak peeks of our special gift of the month. And of course, there's that image of our beautiful toucan and sun from previous months. Now, plumeria spray is the name of our stencil this month. And of course, we've got all those layering stencils that allow us to get gorgeous shading on our large pandanus leaf, then the beautiful shading within each of those plumeria flowers. Of course, you're going to have lots of opportunities to play around with how you place this onto your card panel, straight up and down, diagonal, or are you going to pull out just separate elements from the stencil sets like the flowers or the leaves and use that as your background or focal point for your cards. This is a beautiful set and gives you lots of opportunities to play as well. Next up is our hibiscus bloom, and this is our gorgeous press and foil for the month. Now this is going to make a very elegant hibiscus flower. It's a beautiful long stem and it will stretch across the front of an A2 panel beautifully. Now of course you can use the glimmer foil that we're getting this month as a gift to glimmer this, as well as your inks to BetterPress it. Now you do also get the outline die that allows you to cut along the right hand side of the image. So this is going to give you options of how you use this beautiful BetterPress plate. Pineapple Pop is the name of our embossing folder of the month, and as the name suggests, it is full of these gorgeous nicely crowned pineapples, perfect to go with this very tropical theme we have going this month. And you can see it makes a lovely card front, whether you put just a sentiment on the front or if you use it as a backdrop to complement your other images or die cuts on the front. So I think this is a really cute embossing folder, and I think you'll find lots of ways of using it with other themes. Now the 3D embossing folder is called Island Style, and you can see that there is an incredible amount of detail in this embossing folder. You've got all those different tiki faces, as well as some iconography or symbols in there that take us to that beautiful tropical feeling of a gorgeous holiday. It creates a really truly standout background that you can simply put a sentiment on, or you can use it to really amp up the design of your cards. Now our stamp and die set this month is called The Way to Rainbows. I think this is a fabulous name for this stamp and die set. I love how this set has been designed. You're going to get that beach signage there telling you which way to go for all the fabulous things, but then you've got all these sentiments that you can put inside the little sign panels. So paradise, rainbows, sunshine, beach, all fabulous summer things, all things we want to look forward to. And then on top of those, you're going to get some gorgeous sentiments which you will have seen all throughout the card examples in this video. So many ways to use this gorgeous stamp and die set, and I think you're going to have lots of fun playing with it. So now, if you're lucky enough to get the All Clubs crate, you're going to get everything you've seen there. Plus this month, you're going to get a roll of gold matte glimmer foil. You're getting this absolutely adorable die set of the penguin, which incidentally, you can get him to hold the tiki torches or pineapples or flowers. You got the gorgeous little lays that you can put in the hair and the flowers, lots of things to play with. And then this is a fabulous die. This little girl dancing away in a hula skirt, the lei, the flowers, the ankle and the armbands, all making it a very decorative piece, along with those tiki torches. I love the extras that we're getting this month. I hope you do too. I think this is a tremendous group of products for our kit clubs this month. I hope you do too. Let me know what your favourite is in the comments below. I have lots of things that it's very difficult to pick just one favourite. There's so much to love. I hope you find something you just adore as well. But until next time, it's bye-bye for now.